How to withdraw money from Paymentwall. So Paymentwall support is a simple and easy way for you to get out your money and payouts from. Now, the question is, how do you basically get your payouts from, right? So Paymentwall automatically settles payouts via any of the three following methods that they have put in up right here into the support system. You can either do that by international bank transfer, SEPA bank transfer, or faster pay. But the minimum threshold that you'll have to have into your Paymentwall account would be a minimum of $100. That alone is going to automatically initiate the payout as long as all of your documents are uploaded and approved into the business profile of your merchant account. You got to make sure that you cannot directly create a Paymentwall support. You'll have to send in your details, and once all of your details are checked in and they are authorized by the Paymentwall support people, then they're going to give you your login details, and that's how you're going to sign in. So it's a very easy and simple process of receiving your money or your payments out using Paymentwall. They're automatically going to start that process for you as once you have a minimum of $100 into your account. So guys, this is it. This is a simple, quick, and easy answer on how to withdraw money from your Paymentwall account. If you find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe.